Welcome to
Beyond Collecting.
Today
We're going to be opening
Playmobil.
Playmobil. Yes, we do collect Playmobil. We actually have a large, substantial amount. Eventually, we are going to be able to put that on display. It's just taking some time, and we'll be able to share that with you when we get to it. We have a large collection.
Very large.
We have new in the box, and we have stuff that's out of the box, but like new, basically. We used to have some on display, but the stuff that we have is so large that it took up so much space that, we had to box that up. That's in storage, but it won't be for long.
Yes, we'll have it all out soon.
But anyway, we found these. Speaking of storage, we were going through stuff like we said.
Yes.
And we found these. These are from 2020, you said?
Yes. This one's a different year. 2019, even older.
2019 and all of these blind bags are from 2020. Now these we found in storage and we were like, oh, let's open those on camera. And
yes,
we'll be adding these to our collection also.
So which person do you want to get?
Let me see. Which one do you guys want to get?
I want to get the ninja guy.
You want the ninja guy?
Yeah. That's pretty cool.
I don't know, maybe the jester. He's a little different looking. Or the pirate back there. Okay, I'm silly. Anyway, let's start opening these.
Alright, I think there's codes in them too, so.
Ooh.
So, here's this one, whatever this may be.
Yeah, we don't know the codes, how to figure them out of who's who, so.
And we got
a knight.
This is on the package, yeah.
He's not on the package, or
he
is?
Let's see a checklist real quick.
Yeah, hopefully there's some other people on the checklist.
We'll see him more in depth.
Yeah, we purchased these back in a long time ago, and then we just basically put them in storage. We never opened everything.
There's a knight. He looks pretty cool.
Yeah, so we got this guy right here. She's going to build him for you. But I just took her directions. There's a little hobo. He's cute. Oops. Little Western guy. I don't think we have any of these, do we? I can't remember. There's a little jester up there.
We may have that guy. I'm not sure. Alright. Here's the knight. We fully build him. He's pretty cool.
Yeah, he's pretty nice. He comes with 2 swords.
Yes.
And 2 arrows, which on the directions, it looks like you were only supposed to get 1, but we actually got 2, so that's nice.
Yes, it's quite nice.
So that way he is ready for battle.
Yes.
He's going to chop someone's head off on the one side and then bow somebody on the other side. I'm sorry, I go in
Call of Duty.
Call of Duty mode. Okay.
Let's go ahead, open him up.
So they've been waiting 6 years to get out of these packages. 6 years. Who do we get?
Looks like the gamer guy.
Oh, I thought it was a jester. Oh, look at the little slice of pizza. That's cute.
That's cute. Let's see.
So it looks like we got the gamer guy, which to me, he looks really, really, I don't know, different or something. But anyway, he's got the controller and a slice of pizza in his hand.
Alright, here he is, eating some pizza and playing a game.
I just want to know what game. That's all.
He's playing in the air or something.
Is he playing Minecraft perhaps? Or is he playing Call of Duty? Or what's he playing?
Maybe.
Because I don't want him on my team if he's playing Call of Duty because he's eating pizza. He's going to be distracted and he's not going to help capture the flag.
True.
Here goes the third bag.
Ooh.
And it's the knight that you wanted.
Yes. Ninja guy.
Ninja guy. Cool.
Cool.
That's what he looks like right there.
Alright, so here he is. We were putting together and this glove just broke off. So.
It just broke off. That's his armor. So if he got into
battle, that wouldn't be good.
Yeah, his battle. If he got into a battle, his armor would just collapse there.
It was really brittle, so I don't know. This one seems pretty good though. So But here he is. He looks pretty nice. You can
He's
barely
ready
see
to
his
battle.
face.
He's waited 6 years. Oh. And he lost his head. So, if he got in a battle, somebody could easily take his helmet off.
Yeah. Bing. That would not be good.
Yeah, that doesn't fit that well on there. We don't know why. And then the glove broke. But usually, I mean, in their defense, Playmobil is very expensive, but usually it's very durable and it lasts years. It's very, like, nice, classy.
All right. Here's the code to this one. I forgot. It's this number at the top. So, if you're wondering.
That's a code. Of course, we're really late in showing you guys. But if you find them and they're used or something new in a package. So, who did we get?
Ooh.
Ew, we get the gesture. Great. That's what I wanted. Yay. Ta-da. There is the gesture right there that we got on the checklist. So far, we're really good. No doubles.
Oh, no. All right. Here he is complete. So, again.
He's really cute. I like him.
Yeah, he's pretty cute.
Yeah. And we are going to set up a town of this also because we do have particular or like different play sets. I know we got like the amusement park, a bunch.
Zoo.
And
Zoo and the farm.
And the hotel, the huge hotel.
Oh, yeah, the hotel.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so we have one more of the blind bags left to open.
Ooh. He is.
Oh. Yeah, we got that little green guy.
Sorry.
There he is on the package. That's the one we got. And there he is in real life.
We're not for sure if we have him or not. I don't know if we do. So we're gonna keep the wings new, just in case if we do have them.
Because we did open some of them years ago when we got these, but we didn't open them all. So we're thinking he looks really familiar. So we're just gonna leave the wings the way they are.
Yes. All right. So now we're going to open up the Fisher set. Ooh.
That is all 5 of the Series 17 Playmobil figures that we opened up. The Gamer Boy.
Knight.
The Knight.
Ninja Dude.
Ninja Dude. Do you love our names or what? And the Gesture.
And that guy.
That guy.
I don't know.
Because there's no names on any of these on the checklist. You just make them up yourself.
All right, so
she's opening up the other one. The other one is
the Fisher guy. Ooh,
it's the fisherman guy.
These look cool.
You get little fish in there. She was actually we're gonna set up big scenes with all the stuff, and we have a farm and all that stuff, so we can actually have this guy. We can use him.
Yes.
Now this one was even older.
Here he is. It's 2019.
2019.
Here's
this guy.
And there's a little paper here. Show you how to do it. And then this. There you go. Alright, so here he is. So
we got no string. I'm just saying. I mean, we got these on sale, and it was a long time ago. These are 2019, and they were on sale years ago. But there's no string. This fish right here is supposed to dangle from this.
So it was right there in the string.
Yeah.
You're very upset.
And I'm just saying, if you would have paid regular price or something, you'd be upset.
Yeah,
I mean,
would suck
it's
price.
It's 7 years ago, so we can't do anything about it because we didn't open it. But he's missing a string.
I mean, you can use sewing string, but if you don't have any, that's really.
I get a broken clear rubber band here, but she doesn't want to use it. She says it looks bad. She wants string, so she's gonna put string on it. White string, like it shows on the package.
On display, he's going to use some white string, professional white string.
But fishing string is clear, translucent. But anyways, cute. Now we didn't get the string, but we got an extra knife. It looks like.
Yeah, so now you can really beat up some fish or something.
If he can't fish the fish, I guess he can go underwater and try to chase them with his knives.
Or beat him to death with a little stick here.
Yeah.
Yeah,
that's our fisherman. We will probably add him to the farm area that we have. Somewhere around there. Put a lake in.
Yeah.
and make you feel good. Cool. And there again, this is the packaging if you're wondering what number this is. And this was made in 2019.
Yes.
So it is old. And we are going to add this to our mega Playmobil display that we will be working on soon.
Yes. Dun, dun, dun.
We will add all these little people somewhere.
Somewhere and sometime.
Yes. So you will see them in our video when we actually show you guys the Playmobil city, or not city, but whatever we end up calling it, or whatever, town, when we actually do it. So we have a lot of actual people, to be honest. We have tons of figures that we've been collecting for a long time. Yeah. We have a lot. So it's going to be probably an overpopulated area. I'm just saying. So.
Probably.
Anyway, we hope you enjoyed this. We helped you escape for the day and have a little fun with us.
Yes.
And
yeah, comment which one you like the most of the figurines, and we'll see you next time.
We'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye-bye.